Introducing our new non-conductive powder coating spigot. With the new wiring rules, pool fencing spigots often require earthing, which is a very costly and complicated exercise for the installers. The new non-conductive spigots for pool fencing require no earthing and can be easily installed in the same way as traditional spigots, saving installers both money and time. The insulation is achieved with 3 layers of coating. The first layer is the undercoat, which provides strong adhesion for subsequent layers to the spigot's surface, followed by insulation coating, and finally the exterior coating that protects the layer underneath while giving the spigot a natural metallic touch and appearance. The insulation resistance of the non-conductive powder coating spigot is tested to comply with Australian standard.